One after the other, the news of road mishap across the districts had been pouring in unceasingly due to overspeeding and rage driving on roads. Many innocents had become the victims of such cases, while many losing their lives too. Likewise, on 5th of January around 7:30 p.m. late evening, it was reported that a handyman was killed after the truck squashed him post repairing of the truck. As per the report, it was reported that the incidents happened when Pramod Kumar, handyman of the truck bearing registration number HR45C9520, was lying beneath their truck post repairing at a roadside garage near Lahorijan Dream Sky Hotel along National Highway 39. He was present at the blind spot area of the driver, which consequently squashed him, which led to his death at the spot. The victim, Pramod Kumar, is 43 years old, son of Rishi Pol, and was a resident of Jamuna Nagar district, Haryana. And the driver of the truck was identified as Sushil Kumar, 41 years old, son of Raghubir Singh, resident of Karnal district, Haryana. Ananterang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live.